Hey buddies, how are you all? I hope you all are doing absolutely good. So guys, let me ask you a simple question. What bird of prey comes to your mind which is the national bird of USA? Yes, my dear friends, it is the bald eagle or simply an eagle. But do you know, an eagle shows a lot of leadership qualities for being successful. So come on, let's have a look on such eagle qualities. Number 1. Do you know when it rains, most of the small birds like crows, pigeons, sparrows, etc. try to hide under rocks, trees, and bushes. But the eagle flies higher and goes above those stormy clouds. My dear friends, note that the storm was the same problem for all the birds, impediments. But the eagle chose to go above the problems. So, guys, when problems try to baffle you, confuse you, don't hide being afraid of such trials and tribulations, but instead go about them and fight with the mess. Number 2. When there is a storm, the eagles get excited. They use the wind of the storm to lift their wings higher and higher, soaring the skies and go above the clouds. So, my dear friends, what does it symbolize? It means that the great people use their problems profitably and fly higher. They never see those obstacles as a hectic task. Number 3. Eagles never eat dead meat, or in scientific terms, they never scavenge. They always try to eat the alive prey by killing it itself. This shows that they never rely on their past success. My dear friends, look for new boundaries, look for new possibilities. Instead of being satisfied and contented of your old success, my dear friends, leave your past where it belongs to, that is, in the past. Number 4. When an eagle gets older, its feathers become weak and cannot take it higher and faster in the sky. So, my dear friends, it decides to hide at a deserted place. It plucks its old feathers, breaks its claws and beak by the rocks nearby. Oh my god, very bloody and aching. It hides at that place until it gets new feathers, new beaks and claws, and then flies higher than ever before, showing vibrancy and liveliness. My dear friends, it teaches us one thing, and what is that? That we need to shed off our old habits timely. Things that are a burden and add no value to our life need to be let go of and move on with a better version of yourself. So, my dear friends, I hope you have learned these mesmerizing qualities from this wonderful bird of prey, an eagle. So, spare a thought and thanks for always hanging out with me. Peace out, guys. Love you all.